everybody, welcome back. We're in Ocotillo Wells, California, at a vehicle recreational area. Still same place from the last video. Got a little bit windy this morning, and then all of a sudden it got real windy. You know, if you don't like recreational vehicles, dirt bikes and quads and all that, this isn't the place for you. Especially on the weekend, it gets a little busy, a little noisy at times, but it's a great playground. There's an area right here nearby, and we're actually in a pretty good position. We sat here last night. Keep in mind, it still gets dark pretty early. So last evening, after dark, a lot of side-by-sides have lights and light bars on them, and they all have headlights and all that. But I time-lapsed a little bit of that, but it was cool to sit here and just be spectators. A lot of people made it. That's a pretty high, a pretty steep climb over there in that real loose sand. A lot of people made it. A lot of people failed. But yeah, it's been fun here. I don't know how much longer we're staying. Another day or two maybe, we'll probably be out of here. I don't know yet. Bella. So this is our camp, a bunch of us friends here. And we're still just hanging out, running around California together. We rode the ATVs out here. But there's this place that I'm not much of a fossil hunter or that sort of thing, but I heard of this place called a shell reef. And we're in the middle of the desert, okay? There's the ATVs down there. We climbed quite a hill, but there are seashells in this reef. Well, okay, I had to look a minute, but here's a seashell, and here's one. And here's kind of an edge of one, but I think there's an area up here that maybe there's a higher concentration of them. Oh, look here, there. So this whole reef here, yeah, it's called Shell Reef. And here it is, somehow protruding up out of the desert. It just has little seashells all through it. Isn't that odd that out here in the Southern California desert that this here appears to have been at least a sea floor, maybe an ocean floor. That's crazy. Let's see if we can find another jackpot. We'll see if we can find another jackpot up here. Yeah, it was a bit of climb up here. I'm a little winded. Wow, way out here on the edge. I don't know how stable this is, but I can see a little tiny one here. And there is plant life. Here's some more. Yeah, it's a big playground out here. It's a state recreational vehicle area. It just seems so out of place up here. It's only about, I think, 4.7 miles from camp. And the real nice trails coming out. Wasn't a big deal. But there's a bunch of little, those orange flowers all down through there. They do seem out of place. Well, I think I've had my fun. And there's a little purple one. Up here comes another group of friends. It's still the weekend. A lot of people out here. And I think camp is right up in, right in here somewhere. Oh, here's one. Here's another one right here. See that? And up here. And there's more up here. But we're gonna head back down. This looks like the faster way down.
Yeah.
I didn't say it was safer. How about that, Chuck? I like this way maybe better. Oh. Slow it down. That wasn't too bad.
That was wonderful.
No ripped jeans or nothing.
I thoroughly enjoyed that.
Not as much as me.
They're going down the easy route.
Oh, come on! Where's the fun in that?
Wait. Time left. Don't touch the brake.
We've rode a couple more miles out into the desert, and it's weird the flowers that actually thrive out here in this climate. I don't know what all these little yellow flowers are, but they appear to be, you know, like in the daisy family. But they're just scattered all through the desert. Well, not all through, different areas. All of a sudden you'll see patches of them. Oh, here we go. There's a little purple one. And whatever these are. You wouldn't think anything would survive in here. And these rocks are all cool. I'm sure they're all sandstone. You can tell they're kind of eroded away from the wind blowing. Loose sand against sand rock. Erodes. Alright. Well, let's fast forward to the next morning. The weekend is over. The weekenders have all left. It's gotten quiet here again. I should probably clarify that You know, I said if ATVs and dirt bikes and stuff, you know, weren't your thing, that this is probably not the place for you. Well, that's probably true, you know, Thursday. No, like Friday, people start moving in for the weekend playground thing. But here it is, the weekend's over and it's quiet and the weather's changed. It's calm, peaceful. It's nice here, at least during the week. Now when the weekend starts getting closer, people will start moving back into this playground. But we're gonna get out of here today. I'm already packed up. I'll probably be the first to leave this morning. Not sure what Bella and I are gonna do. We might I know what the group's plans are. We may or may not. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing just yet. But we're gonna get out of here. Oh, and it's pronounced, this place is, I don't think I pronounced it right. It's Ocotillo, not Ocotillo. Ocotillo Wells, and it's a California state vehicular recreation area. And it's just west of the Salton Sea on Route 78 in Southern California. It's nice. I like it here. Bella's ready to go. She knows when the RV's packed up. We're getting ready. We're gonna get out of here. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.